In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a geographic heat map in Tableau. First, we have our Tableau desktop opened up and connected to a data source that contains geographic information. The dataset that I'm using here is about significant volcanic eruptions in the world and contains information such as the name of the volcano, the location of the volcano, as well as geographic information such as the latitude and longitude of the volcanic eruption, and details such as the number of deaths, the number of injuries, and the volcano explosivity index, which measures the explosivity of volcanic eruption. Let's create a geographic heat map by going to a new worksheet and drag the longitude field to the columns shelf and the latitude field to the row shelf. The data points generated in this map view represents the locations of the volcanic eruptions in the world. So in order to determine which countries have the worst volcanic eruptions in terms of the volcano explosivity index, we can drag the volcano explosivity index field into the color card. And change the marks type to density type so that we can visualize which are the worst volcanic eruptions better. As we can see over here, the higher the volcano explosivity index, the darker the color of the points. We can also adjust the colors of the density map by clicking on the color card and changing the color palette to the one that we want. For example, density orange light. We can also add other relevant details to the tooltip to add more details to the volcanic eruption for context, such as the name of the volcano, the country that the volcano is located in, and the number of deaths that occurred in the volcanic eruption. We can also change the background theme of the heat map to make it more visually appealing by clicking on the Map tab, Background Maps, and perhaps a darker theme so that we can visualize the points better. We can also customize the points further by changing the size of the data points accordingly. So from this geographic heat map that we have created, we can actually see that the volcanoes in the Pacific Ring of Fire near the Pacific Ocean, such as in Indonesia and in Japan, had the worst volcanic eruptions.